Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix the Battlefield REDSEC Javelin anti-cheat error, including the messages EA, anti-cheat encountered an error, security violation. These issues usually happen when the anti-cheat system gets corrupted or outdated. Let's fix it quickly. Open File Explorer. Click on this PC on the left sidebar. Double-click on your local disk C. Open the folder called Program Files. Inside, double-click on the EA folder. Then open the folder named AC. This is where EA's anti-cheat is installed. Inside the AC folder, double-click on EA Anti-Cheat Installer. When prompted, click Run. Once the EA Anti-Cheat window opens, click on Uninstall All. This completely removes any corrupted or broken anti-cheat files from your PC. After uninstalling, close the window. Open your web browser. In the search bar, type EA Anti-Cheat Javelin Download. Click on the official EA website result. On the page, click Install or Download to get the EA Javelin Anti-Cheat Installer. Once it finishes downloading, open the setup file. After launching the EA Anti-Cheat Installer, look at the drop-down menu at the top. Select the game you're having issues with, in this case, Battlefield 6. Click Install to reinstall the anti-cheat service. This will install a fresh version of the EA anti-cheat system compatible with your game. Once the installation is complete, close everything and restart your computer. After the restart, launch Battlefield REDSEC again. Your EA Javelin anti-cheat error, security violation, or EA anti-cheat encountered an error issue should now be completely fixed. And that's it. You've successfully reinstalled EA anti-cheat and fixed the Javelin error on Battlefield REDSEC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and comment below if this worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.